Hello and welcome to our new vocabulary session. This is the first part of Unit 9. This is the school's vision: learn today, lead tomorrow. And these are the objectives. By the end of this session, you should be able to define the word meanings and to infer the meaning from the context and compose meaningful sentences. Unit 1's title is The Competitive Edge, and we are going to read the passage in our VCR and then conclude the meanings of the new words. So let's look at the first word here. Brisk. Brisk is an adjective, and it means energetic, lively, fast, or cool and fresh. The example is the flag snapped and fluttered in the brisk wind. So here he's not talking about the wind itself, the flag itself, talking about the wind. The wind is brisk, energetic, lively, fast, or cool and fresh. Cherish. Cherish is a verb and it means to feel or show great love for something or for someone, or to value highly, or to take special care of. So the example is our freedom is something we should always safeguard and cherish. Cherish means to feel or show great love or value or take special care of something or someone. Considerate. Considerate is an adjective and it means showing concern for the needs or feelings of others, and so you care about others, so you are a considerate person. The example is, if you are a considerate guest, you might be invited back. Considerate means showing concerns for the needs or feelings of others. Displace is a verb and it means to force or remove or flee. Flee means escape. To force to move or flee, or to move out of position. To move something out of its position. So the example is, officials feared that the flood would displace the villagers from their homes. Displace means to move or force them to move from their homes. Displace. Downfall. Downfall is a noun, or it means a sudden fall from power or position. So, for example, someone who was, or some country that was very powerful and suddenly it had a downfall. So, sudden fall from power. Or a sudden heavy snow or rain could be also downfall, like the heavy rain is called downfall. The example is, to this day, historians argue over what caused the Roman Empire's downfall. So downfall here means the collapse of the Roman Empire. Estimate. Estimate is a verb and the meaning is to form a rough judgment about the size, quantity, or value of something. The example is, I would estimate the number of people at the concert at about 15,000. So estimate is a verb and it means to form a judgment, to guess the value or the size or the quantity of something. To guess the value or the quantity or size. Estimate as a noun. Estimate means a rough calculation or a careless guess. A careless guess. The mechanic gave us an estimate for the auto repairs. The auto repairs here, the repair for example, the car. So he gave us a rough calculation. Means it's not accurate. Humiliate. Humiliate is a verb and it means to hurt someone's self-respect or pride. Our opponents accused us of trying to humiliate them by running up the score. Identical. Identical is an adjective and the meaning is exactly the same or alike in every way. The twins liked to wear identical outfits. Outfits means clothes. Clothes. Improper. Improper is an adjective and it means not correct or showing bad manners or taste. Unsuitable. The principal reminded us that improper behavior is not acceptable. Improper. Poll. Poll is a noun and it means a collecting of votes, usually plural, a place where voting takes place, or a collecting of opinions. Where did you see the results of the poll? Here, like in the elections, they do these polls and see the results. Or sometimes on social media, you will find someone posting a poll to see what people think about two or three things. What is their preference choice? Poll is a verb. It means to receive votes or to vote or to question people to collect opinions. So we are going to poll our classmates about their favorite movies. So it's something like a survey, but you're going to choose yes or no. Soothe. Soothe is a verb and it means to make calm or to ease pain or sorrow. The nurse tried to soothe the fussy child. So this child was annoyed, so she tried to soothe him, make him calm. Vicinity. Vicinity is a noun and it means the area near a place or the surrounding region. There is a park in the vicinity of our school. Vicinity means the area or the place. Thank you so much. I hope these words are pretty easy for you. Please try to write a sentence about each word. Using each word in a meaningful sentence is very, very helpful to remember each word and its meaning. See you in the virtual class. Goodbye.